back to Smart Money Monday. At some point, most of us homeowners, we're going to do some sort of renovation. Today, we're going to learn how to budget for it. And here to help us, we have Sophia Teruya from Bank of Hawaii. Aloha, Sophia.
Hi, Steve.
So we've all heard these stories about remodeling projects that went way over budget. How do we avoid that, Sophia?
Well, the three most important words when it comes to home renovation is plan, plan, plan. The more time and energy you put into researching and planning on the front end, the less likely you are to hit with unexpected costs on the back end.
What are the first steps to creating a realistic budget then?
Well, it's important to do extensive research from professionals and well-respected home renovation websites in your geographic area to establish a clear, specific picture of the project's price tag.
So now that you have a general idea of the cost, then what?
Well, it's important to set realistic expectations. A lot of renovations go over budget because people want to budget for more than they can. So start with a number that you can live with, not a picture of everything that you want. Then add a pad of about 5 to 10% for overages.
Okay, so you got your numbers, then what?
Well, it's important to interview. You should take at least 3 bids from multiple companies so that you can compare prices and also hear how each contractor will approach your needs. But remember, the lowest price might not be the best.
Yeah, why is that so important?
Well, the lowest price might not be realistic, and estimating costs is very complex. That's why approximately half of all home renovation projects go over budget.
Okay, so that's the key. How do we bring a renovation as close to on budget as possible?
One key is to get all of the specifics of your project finalized during design before you actually start construction.
So the more you think ahead, the more you plan, the lower the odds of any unpleasant surprises?
Exactly. So for example, 2 areas of people that often overlook are accommodations if you need to move out of your house and into a hotel for a while.
Ooh.
Also, if your kitchen is being remodeled and you can't cook, plan on adding added costs to eating out more.
Ooh, no wonder half of all remodeling projects go over budget, right?
Exactly. There are so many things that can happen that are hard to budget and to anticipate. But if you think long and hard about every detail, you can remodel your home for about what you've hoped for.
All right, Sophia Teruya from Bank of Hawaii helping us prepare as we look for something that could be very exciting as well. Thanks, Sophia.
Mahalo, Steve.
Mahalo, and thank you for watching Smart Money Monday.